Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the steam room test of the Powerbeats 3. Now if you look online, most of the people are telling you not to take it to the steam room or not to take it in the rain. Sweat is a big problem for this. Sweat actually does make this go bad or stop functioning. So even with all those warnings, I still want to test it for myself. Now maybe the Indian version is different than the abroad one. So let's go ahead and test it. So I'll take it to the steam room. Now I'll be using it while the steam room is going on, the steam is going on. I'll show you that I'm actually going to play the music. So the music is being played from my iPhone onto the earphone, and then I am going to be sitting there for at least 5 minutes. So let's see if it survives the steam room test. So let's go. Over here you won't be able to see me well, but I'm still I can't see anything. I'll still try to get a good angle so you can see me sitting there. Okay, so I was in the steam room for actually 9 minutes. So it's 6:20 now, so 9 minutes. So nothing has happened to it, it's still working. So I'll keep using it in the gym now. I'll go to the gym, use it in the gym, and then see if it's still working. I can't really take it to the swimming pool because it's not waterproof. So that's the limit that I can take this one to. Steam room is the maximum that you can take it to. So let's see if it still keeps working. So after I'm done with my gym today, then we will talk about it. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. So basically nothing happens to the earphone. I have used it 4 more times after I made this video, just to be sure that nothing happens to the earphone. So yes, nothing happened. The only thing I realized was there's something that I'm facing right now, which is while playing the music, suddenly the music goes off. And when I check the Bluetooth connection is there, it's connected, the music is playing, it's not paused, but for some reason I can't hear any music. So what I do is I change the track or maybe disconnect and reconnect, and then it starts working fine. So that's something that I'm facing right now. So I'll be testing it further to see if it's water damage or if water has done anything to it. But right now, no signs of damage other than this simple issue. I don't know whether it's because of the water or something else. So other than that, no other issues. In US, a lot of people are facing water related issues with the Beats, with the Beats 3 Powerbeats 3. So there's no warranty on it. In case you take it to the steam room and something goes wrong, Beats are not going to guarantee anything for that. So you'll have to do it at your own risk. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.